Get to do things with Brecky Hill, but you have to sacrifice your mother. Be best friends with Ronaldo, but you will be poor. Mr. Beast gives you this brand new Bugatti, but you can only drive with the first person who appears when you click on the green square, then more. Become a successful streamer, but you must stream 13 hours every day. Get to sign a contract with your favorite soccer team, but you have to click on the blue square and tag them. Get to marry Addison Rae, but you have to practice with her at night.